Hi everyone, I am Pallavi Pawar and today I am going to give demonstration on hash calculator tool. It's a dashboard of a file manager software developed by Innovativa Softtech Solutions Private Limited. You just have to simply click on a Pro tool. You will get file utility tab. You have to click over here and you'll get hash calculator tool. For detailed video, please click on a link in a description box. You just have to mention few details in this format so that will help you to identify file in future. So I'm just mentioning details. You have to browse file from this tab. So you can browse any file. It can be a video file or a PDF file, Word file, image file, WhatsApp file. So every type of file you can browse from this tab. Advantage of this software that it works in every format. So once you browse a file, you just have to click simply on calculate tab. It's so user friendly, anybody can operate it, and you can see that it has been created a unique hash value. You have to export to CSV. I will mention it evidence 1. Few documents are very confidential and such type of documents must not be altered in any circumstances. Now let's see the result. So it has been generated a hash value in such way in this format. So now let's make certain changes to the document. I will add simply alphabet A to this document. So you will realize that a small single change also result in a different hash value. Now let's browse amended file. Once you browse a file, again you have to calculate a hash value and you have to match with previous result. You have to upload previous evidence file from verify all tab. So in this way you have added previous evidence file. Due to the amendment, it's mismatch in result and it's enough sufficient to prove in a court of law or wherever you want to present it that there is amendment in a document and you have to generate evidence pack. So let's generate evidence pack. This evidence pack can be a proof to present that there is amendment in a file. I will showcase you evidence pack. It has been generated in a zip folder. So in this pack you have to click on summary and you will see one mismatch result. If there are several mismatches, it will showcase you by the number. Hash calculator is a basic necessity of forensic department, CID, police department, foreign security agencies, defense department. Advocate, consultant, auditor can use this tool as a value-added service to their client, strengthening their client relationship, trust, and reliability. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please download a link below in a description box and take the advantage of free subscription. We are giving free subscription till 31st December and in new year you have to purchase it. Currently we are working on a subscription model. So you have to float inquiry at innovativasofttech.com or else you can send your inquiry on WhatsApp. Please note down WhatsApp number 8484859088. After completion of free subscription period, you can take the advantage of extended offer at rupees 9,999 per user per year and overseas clients also can be beneficial at USD 175 per annum. Thank you so much for watching this video.